Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm here with Date Night Barbie and PJ. These are from 1982 and they are my childhood dolls. And I want to do a little bit of cleaning of them today. So we're going to remove their clothes and clean them really well because they haven't been really messed with in a few years. And I want to try to fix PJ's leg while we're at it. When I first got PJ, probably in 82, her leg broke, first thing. And I was sad about it for many years actually, but I always kept her in this outfit. It's got the pink with the hearts, the light pink heart, white heart. This is from a Barbie fashion pack. But I kept her in this outfit because it had pants and it held her leg on, kind of. So there, and I love this outfit. So she wore it all the time. And I did at some point try to glue her leg back because I really didn't know how to fix it. You know, back then we didn't have YouTube, so we couldn't look up how to fix it. But I have recently looked up some videos on how to fix legs, and I think I may know how. So we're going to try to fix her leg before we bathe her, but she's also got a rubber band in her hair that has dry rotted. We're going to get that out. And we're going to try to fix that leg. And these clothes probably need washed. And this is Barbie. And this is the outfit I always kept Barbie in. I really never used their date night outfits. I don't remember really using them because I really love these outfits. This is also from a fashion pack that I got for Christmas a few years later. Probably sometime in the 80s. I think I still have everything that they came with. I'm not 100%. We're going to look. Oh my goodness. But I have lost Barbie's ring. So I definitely need to find a new ring for her. They both do have their earrings. PJ has her ring. Okay. But this is a cute outfit. It's got pink and white checkers. I've always liked that pattern since I was really little. And especially pink, white, and black together. I love that. And then it just came with black leggings. And that is a Barbie outfit. Let's see if it has tags. No tags, but it came from a Barbie fashion pack. I remember getting it and opening it. Okay. So we got them both undressed. Let me take the rubber bands out of their hair and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and removed the rubber bands from their hair. And I've also cleaned PJ's leg. Oh, let me rinse that a little better. I think it's just glue. Oh, it is just glue. Don't try to glue them. It doesn't work. Okay. So this is what the leg looks like off. Hopefully I got most of the glue. We're going to stick that in some hot water That's to loosen that joint up inside. She actually, her joint on her leg or her body, that is all intact. It doesn't need glue or anything like that. For some reason, the leg just popped off. I could never get it back on. But I think you can put it in hot water and it should just pop right back on, hopefully. From what I've been reading, Barbie's face is a little dirty. And PJ is a little cleaner because I didn't play with her as much. I'm going to bring you guys over here. Hang on. Okay, hopefully you're not too far away from me. I'm trying not to drop the phone in the water. But all I've got is some lukewarm water with Dawn in it. I really like using Dawn, so that's what we're going to use. And I'm going to do PJ first. I'm just going to wash her body. And I'm going to wet her hair. Oops, wrong side. I want to just clean her face and stuff. Sometimes when they've been sitting, they just need a little work. Plus, you know, when I got Barbie, I think it was for Christmas and probably the same year they were released, maybe 82, 83. I got Barbie. And then for my birthday, which is a little later than Christmas, I got PJ from my grandma. Barbie was a present from my mom, and PJ was a present from my grandma. And these were my very first 2 Barbies, I believe. And I did not have many Barbies growing up. We were very poor. Let me rinse her off. So we were very poor, and I loved my dolls and stuff, and I was very sad that PJ broke right off the bat. Okay, next, try not to get my phone wet. We're going to use Herbal Essence conditioner for her hair. I'm going to put it back in the Dawn. Her hair is nowhere near as dirty as Barbie's, but I did play with Barbie a lot more. I love PJ's lips. It's almost like she's blowing a kiss. Okay, we're going to let her sit right there. And we're going to wash Barbie. Very sad that I lost her ring. Barbie's neck's also very loose. So we're going to be real gentle with her head. We're going to set her in there and let her legs soak. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I think PJ's hair has sat long enough. I'm going to throw it back in the Dawn water. And I'm using the Gentle Clean Easy Squeeze. Well, Gentle Clean is the pink Dawn. It's the gentle on your hands. She looks pretty clean. I'm gonna throw her back in there. Try to get this leg clean. Get that glue off. I probably used Elmer's glue. You gotta figure I was in 82, I would have been 4. 83, I would have been 5. So it was really little. I wouldn't have had super glue and stuff like that, so it had to be Elmer's. Okay, good enough. Let's rinse her off. Okay, I've got PJ's hair brushed and stuff, and I'm going to try to snap this leg back on. And you're supposed to hear a click. Oh, it just fell right back off. Hang on, let's see. Maybe I'm not pressing hard enough. It's on. No, it just comes right back off. Oops, we sat her hair in there. Okay, let's try again. I might have let the water cool off too much, but I don't hear no snap. Let's try new hot water. Okay, I've let the leg sit a little bit longer, so we're going to try to snap it in place again. Maybe we'll just let her lay here and cool down. Maybe it doesn't need to snap. But everybody I watched, their dolls snapped. It just wasn't this doll. So we'll let her cool down and see how it goes. So I washed their bodies once with the Dawn water, and then I washed their hair with the Dawn water, and then I used the Herbal Essence twice in their hair, and the brush brushes right through it. And I used a Barbie brush to brush their hair. These bigger brushes, they tend to work pretty good in their hair. The bigger ones. Okay, so while they continue to dry, we're going to look for their clothes. So I have a Ziploc bag here. This is all the Barbie doll clothes I ever had throughout my childhood, I think. I think they're all here. And then I have a little heart case that has some of the little smaller accessories, like shoes and such. Okay, here's PJ's dress. Here is Barbie's shirt. I hope it's not ripped. It looks quite worn. Here's PJ's dress top. Maybe I used them a little more than I thought I did. I mean, they were my first and only Barbies for a while. So, and I was little. But there's PJ's. So I need Barbie's dress. Hopefully it's in here. Oh, there it is. So there's Barbie's dress. So they would have had the dress top and bottom. And then they would have their earrings, their rings, and then their shoes. So their shoes are so little, they should be in here. Hopefully I still have them. There's one of PJ's. I don't want to have to dump everything out. There's a golf club and a purse. There's a movie camera, old style movie camera. That's a green shoe. Well, let's see. Well, I'll take some out. There's an old phone. That's neat. Old camera. It's been a while since I've looked at all this. A bouquet of flowers. A drink. Oh, here's one of Barbie's. So we're 1 for 1. There's another bouquet of flowers. Oh, and this would have been Barbie's brush. See, do I still have PJ's? Doesn't look like it unless it's in the bag. And it could be in the bag. There's PJ's other shoe, so I think PJ would be complete then. Here's the old Barbie mirrors from the 80s. Some shoes, ballet shoes. Some pink sandals, or some white sandals. I am pretty sure that I have that other sandal. I'm just not seeing it. Oh wait, I think I found it. There it is. So a lot of this, I can't even remember how I got it. That's how old it is. Okay, we're going to continue to let them dry. I've already brushed their hairs, but this is how Barbie has come out. She was really dirty, but she was well played with. PJ came out a little better. Even some of her waves came back. And it looks like her leg may stay. I'm afraid to move it still. So we're going to leave it alone. We're going to let her have a little time, and then we'll put their outfits on. Okay, we're going to go ahead and dress Barbie first, as well as we can. I think this inside piece has torn. I would think that would go in the front of her. So we're going to try to put her in it. I don't even think I've played with this dress since I was like 10 years old. Oh, there we go. Looks like I definitely need to keep my eyes open for a new top. But it is on her. I kind of got her hair put up like I want. Not put up, but ready to style how I want it. I think it goes on the left leg. Flower. Something like this. This outfit's really hard to put on for kids. Very, very hard. But as an adult, it's pretty easy. Much easier than it used to be. So let's see. We just need to turn it. Because I think that this goes around her leg, kind of. Then you can either style it around her neck or you can twist it around her waist. I usually wear it like this or around the not sure. I'll take a look at this. So here are both of them in their outfits. I don't have their hair done yet, so I'm gonna do their hair and I'll come back. But PJ turned out really good. Her leg is staying, and I am amazed because for 40 years almost, I wanted her leg on and just didn't know how to get it on to stay. So she always had to wear pants, and now she's got a leg. So let me finish them up, and we'll do their hair and put on their shoes, and I'll show you the end. Okay, so first here is Dream Date Barbie, all finished. There's her pink shoes. I do not like to stay on, and I'm amazed I still have them. Up to her dress, which I have styled just around her waist. And then I just have a simple hairstyle, however I decided I liked it best. So there's Dream Date Barbie. I think I have her dress on correctly. She turned out really good. I'm glad I cleaned her up, and now I can put her out and enjoy her. Okay, and here's Dream Date PJ. She turned out really good too. And I am amazed that her leg is now fixed. It only took almost 40 years, probably something like 37 years her leg was broken, and now it is fixed. I didn't have a second stand to put her on, but she has the dress wrapped around her neck. So there's 3 ways of the package, I think, shows you to dress them, and that was 2 of them, and the 3rd one was around the arm. But this is how I always played with them. So there they are together. If you would like to see me do more of my vintage Barbie doll collection, give this video a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.